We've seen some pretty cool effects with Bernoulli's principle, but we have yet to have something lift up. And to prove that Bernoulli's principle gives us lift, especially in a museum like this, I need a demonstration you can try at home, and it's gonna be easy for you to do. You're gonna need something as simple as a roll of toilet paper. And the object here is to make the toilet paper fly off the roll. Now, your brain tells you to blow underneath the toilet paper like this. And while it makes the toilet paper fly up, it doesn't sustain any type of lift. And blowing over the top, of course, would just push it down, or so you would think. Watch this. You see that? Fast moving air creates an area of low pressure, and it lifts up like this. Now, if you want to try to unroll the entire roll of toilet paper, well, you're gonna pass out before you get there. Or you can use a little bit more power. And we have it right here. This is exactly what you need. You need a leaf blower. This is gonna give us all of the fast moving air that we need. So, it dawned on me that a paint roller would be perfect for a roll of toilet paper, and it really works well. Watch what happens. See, the toilet paper sits here like this, and now, oh, this is great. See, there's very, very little friction, and it moves really, really well. That's gonna be perfect. It's as easy as taking the end of the leaf blower and hooking it onto the paint roller like this. If you do that, you get the perfect launcher. All right, let's see if it works. Oh, much better. Nice. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the right way to do it. The only thing that could be better, you guessed it, more people, more toilet paper, more leaf blowers. Well, I got lots of toilet paper, I got a lot of leaf blowers, and now I have a lot of friends. Well, I hope they're friends. Here we go, guys. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Nice. Oh, this is good. Yeah, oh, this is good. Oh, no. Oh. All right, turn it off! This concludes our lesson on Bernoulli's principle and the flight of toilet paper. All right, kids, take this home. We need to recycle it.